Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This Samsung top loader washing machine. So let's see what is the problem. So actually this problem is always water dropping. See, if I remove the power cable also, and see water dropping, always water dropping. So its problem is water inlet bulb. So let's see how to change it. There are two screws. Just remove the screws, then remove the back cover. So actually this is the water inlet bulb. So it's very easy to change. So actually problem this water inlet bulb. So I have new, yeah, reverse this new. So see, it's very simple and very easy to change it. So you can change it by yourself. So the reverse, after I fix the screws, so let's see how is it. So now no more water dropping. So I have connected, but see, I recheck again. No water dropping. So I have to test it. Let me turn it on, then set the low level water, start. So now water is dropping, so it's normal because for washing. So thank you dear viewers, it was very small easy way to change it. It was problem only this water inlet bulb. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.